Hello and good day. I am Mitchell Herrijgers, Lead Developer of AxonIQ Console. You have let us know that it was too difficult for you to connect your application. So let's do it together. And then if you have any problems afterwards, you can reach out to me or leave us any feedback on how we can improve the onboarding. So let's switch to the console. Let's log in using our account. So I'm going to log in using my personal account, which I have never logged in before with. Now I need to set up a few things. I need to accept the privacy policy, and then we can get started on connecting our application. I have a microservice ready locally. If you don't have it, open it. So let's click connect my application. I'm gonna call this really originally my application, and let's continue. Now you can either choose the Spring Boot starter or the Java configuration route. They are almost identical with a few differences, so I'm only gonna do the Spring Boot starter route for now. Let's click Spring Boot Starter and we will get a dependency to copy to our POM file. You can also get the instructions for Gradle or any other tool. Let's switch to the POM file and I'm gonna put it in here and refresh my Maven so that IntelliJ actually recognizes the Spring Boot Starter. So we can boot it up. We are going for the next step. We're gonna call it my awesome application. And we are gonna enable some DLQ metrics just for fun. You can find out more about the data being sent to AxonIQ Console in the pop-up, including what each option means if you have any doubts. So let's copy these properties and put them in one of our property files. I have an application local.properties for my local profile, which we can run now. So let's start running it and click on the next step here. AxonIQ Console is going to wait for us to connect at least one application. It's booting up right now. Let's see in the logs how it's doing. And we will see connection to AxonIQ Console set up successfully here. And AxonIQ Console shows this as well. So now we can go to the workspace. Now we have my awesome application connected. We see that we have the metrics here. We have the processors that are connected to the application. We don't have any aggregates in this application. And we see the handlers that are being handled. So now we can really get started using AxonIQ Console. I'm going to put a link to the Getting Started guide in the description of this video. And again, if you have any doubts, please let us know. Reach out here and write your feedback. I hope you have a splendid day, and until the next time.